Hi students. So as we have started with our lesson animal behavior, we have discussed about different types of behavior of the animals and their physical features also. How animals are having different physical appearance, about their ears, tail, fur on their body, whole of their size of the body, right? So we have discussed all the physical features of animals and we have seen the behavior, how the behavior of animal is different. Few of the animals they live in groups while few animals they live alone. We have discussed this, right? So you can see here we have discussed how tiger, leopard, bear they live alone, right? But deer, horses, few birds, fish, they all love to live in groups. So when they live in group they can help each other, they can protect each other, right? The animals which live alone they do area marking, right? So that no other animal can enter their area. Also there are few animals or birds which move from one place to another. They cannot be or cannot live at one place throughout the year. So as the climate changes or the season changes, they change their place also. They have given you the example of Siberian crane and monarch butterflies, also the salmon. Okay, now also they have given you how few birds or animals have different habits related to their sleep also. Few animals love to sleep for many days and many months, right? For half of the months they are awakened and the other months they sleep. They have given you examples of crocodile, bats and squirrel over here. We have discussed about the different physical features which includes the ears, the nose of elephant, we have discussed about the hair and the tail, right? Today we are going to start with the understanding section in which we will see what are the benefits of the animal behavior. Okay, we have learned that birds have different types of beaks, feet, feathers and wings. It is due to the different food habits and habitats. In the last lecture, in the last lesson of birds, we have seen that how birds have different beaks, right? The size of beaks is different. We have studied different types of beaks, and birds also have different types of feathers, different types of feet, based on which place they live and what food they eat. So, we have discussed different animal behavior and some physical features. Why do they have such behavior and physical features? So, now we will discuss it. They have given you benefits of different animal and animal behavior. First one is by living in groups, animals can protect themselves bit better from their enemies. Their young ones are better looked after. They can look for food and shelter together. In a group, the animal which is strong and powerful is the leader. Other animals follow. For example, elephant, bison and deer. So animals which live in groups. So this is one benefit, one behavior of animal where they prefer living in groups. So when animals live in group, जब वो ग्रुप में रहते हैं एक साथ तो वो एक दूसरे की हेल्प कर पाते हैं, एक दूसरे को प्रोटेक्शन देते हैं, उनको ज़्यादा डेंजर या खतरा नहीं होता दूसरे एनिमल से अगर वो ग्रुप में रहते हैं, यूनाइटेड रहते हैं. ऑल्सो द यंगर वंस ऑफ एनिमल्स, एनिमल्स के जो छोटे बेबीज़ होते हैं उनके ऊपर भी ध्यान दिया जाता है हर किसी का, राइट? सो इन दिस वे इफ़ दे लिव इन ग्रुप इट इज़ ईजी एंड हेल्पफुल फॉर देम टू लीव. अगर कोई खाना ढूंढने जा रहा है, कुछ हंट करने जा रहा है, अगर एक साथ वो हंटिंग के लिए जाएंगे या शेल्टर करेंगे तो इट विल बी यूजफुल फॉर देम. एग्जाम्पल्स दे हैव गिवन ऑफ एलिफेंट, बिसॉन एंड डियर, राइट? सो एनिमल्स from that group, whosoever is the strongest animal, whosoever is powerful will be the leader of that group. Second point is area marking prevents an animal from entering into another animal's area. The food available in an area may not be enough for more than one animal to survive. In such cases, area marking helps the animal to survive better. So as we have discussed, the few animals who prefer living alone, जो अकेले रहते हैं एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया में, जंगल के एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया में, तो वो अपने एरिया को मार्क करके रखते हैं. ट्रीज़ के ऊपर कुछ निशान बनाएंगे, ट्रीज़ के ऊपर अपनी बॉडी रब करेंगे, राइट? जैसे डॉग्स का हमने देखा था, डॉग्स दे यूरिनेट सो दैट अदर डॉग्स विल कम टू नो दैट सम डॉग इज़ ऑलरेडी स्टेइंग इन दिस एरिया. या बाकी एनिमल्स को पता चलेगा अगर ट्रीज़ पे कोई निशान बनाए हो एनिमल ने तो ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे कोई एनिमल रहता है, क्योंकि क्या होता है उस एरिया में जितना भी फूड मटेरियल अवेलेबल है या जो भी छोटे बड़े एनिमल्स हैं जो बड़े एनिमल्स की खाने में ज़रूरतें पूरी करते हैं, राइट. इफ लायन और टाइगर, इफ दैट एनिमल इज लिविंग इन वन एरिया, वॉट एवर द स्मॉल एनिमल्स आर लिविंग देयर, इट विल बी हीज फूड. अगर उसमें और एक कोई लायन या टाइगर आ जाता है तो वो दोनों को वो खाना सफिशिएंट नहीं होगा, राइट. सो जितने भी ज़रूरतें हैं वो दोनों की एक साथ पूरी नहीं हो सकती, इसलिए एरिया मार्किंग इज मस्ट. Third one is some behaviors help animals to live in tough weather and adjust to changes in the availability of food. For example, moving from one place to another, sleeping for a long time and so on. So कुछ animals के behavior ऐसे हैं कि वो जैसे क्लाइमेटिक चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, जो भी वेदर में चेंज हो रहे हैं, वो अपने आप को वहाँ पे एडजस्ट अगर नहीं कर पा रहे, दे विल चेंज द प्लेस, राइट. सो व्हेन द वेदर इज़ वेरी टफ टू गेट एडजस्ट, they will change the place and move to some other place. Here we discussed about benefits of different animal behavior. Now we will discuss benefit of different physical differences, physical features जो भी है उसके क्या benefits है. Let us see how the animal features help the animals. First one is, in animals like tigers and lions, the ears facing forward help to focus on the prey they hunt. In animals like rabbit and deer, the ears which move around help them to know the direction of their enemies. जो lion tigers होते हैं उनके जो ears होते हैं they are forward, right, they are facing forward, so which help them to अटैक देयर प्रे. जो भी शिकार उनका होने वाला होता है उसको हंट करने के लिए ये ज़रूरी है, सो दैट दे कैन लिसन टू द नॉइज ऑफ दैट प्रे, राइट. एंड सेकेंडली रैबिट एंड डियर, दे हैव मूविंग ईयर्स, दे कैन मूव देयर ईयर्स so that it will, if they move their ears, they can listen it carefully so that they can protect themselves from their enemies. They will come to know from which direction the enemy is coming so that they can already protect themselves. Second point is, hair protect the animal from cold weather. The type of hair in animals depend on the climate of the place. For example, animal living in a cold region have thicker hair than than those in a warm region. For animals like fish that always live in water, their body is covered with scales instead of hair. Also, the shape of their body is such that they can swim easily. Feathers of birds cover and protect their body. So यहाँ पे कुछ difference of hairs दिए हैं. Few animals have a thick coat of hair while few have the thin coat of hair. Thin इसलिए होता है ताकि अगर वो किस ठंडे क्लाइमेट में रह रहे हैं तो they will protect themselves. So animals which live in a colder climate, in climate where the temperature is very low, so वहाँ पे उनको protect करने के लिए, उस ठंड से बचाने के लिए उनके ऊपर जो hair का cover होता है that is too thin. But the animals which are living in hot areas or other animals, they, as compared to them, they have very thick layer of hair. Now animals which live in water, for example fish will not have hair on it, it has scales on it so that it helps them to swim properly. Even birds have feathers to cover and protect their body. Third one is the trunk of elephant. The trunk of elephant helps to pick up food and put it into their mouth. It also helps them to take up enough water for drinking and bathing. Fourth is, the tails of animals have different uses. For example, monkeys have long tail. They have very long tail which help in holding the branches of trees because they jump from one place to another. They have to move from one. So that tail helps them while jumping from one tree to another tree. The tails of cat and kangaroos help them to hoop and balance. So as they hoop, that means they jump. So that tail helps them while jumping. So these are the benefits of different physical features. Okay. In application part, we humans are social animals. Let us try to find out similarities between us and other animals. Now there are few similarities between us and the animals which live in jungle or other animals, right? So what is the similarity? The first similarity is shelter. Shelter is the house where we stay. Home. So home is a basic requirement. Shelter हर किसी को चाहिए, whether it is an animal or a human being. So animals find caves or building nest for their protection. Like animals, humans also build houses for protection from tough weather and harmful animals. So we feel secure and protected in our house. Second is living in group. Even there are many animals live together in groups and follow the rules of the group. We also live in smaller large group in the form of family, community or society. Like the animals, we also follow certain rules within our group. जैसे animals एक group में अगर रह रहे हैं protection के लिए, right? So they have few rules which they have to follow. Similarly, अगर human beings भी group में रह रहे हैं, whether it is a family group, फैमिली कुछ जॉइंट फैमिलीज होते हैं न्यूक्लियर, हम एक ग्रुप में ही रहते हैं राइट. अकेला आदमी नहीं रहता, उसकी फैमिली उसके साथ. इवन इफ यू आर लिविंग इन अ सोसाइटी और इन अ कम्युनिटी होल सराउंडिंग, पीपल आर लिविंग टुगेदर राइट. सो दे हैव few rules which they have to follow. One amazing fact is given over here. Animals like the chameleon can change their color to match with the environment. You must be knowing this, that the chameleons, they change their color. In higher order thinking skills, like us, animals can also smell, see, hear, touch and feel. Some senses of animals are stronger than ours. First one is, a dog can hear sounds that we cannot hear. Bats can make and hear sound which we cannot hear. It helps them while flying. As animals have a sharper sense of hearing and loud noise can be harmful to them. For example, the sound of crackers affect them a lot. Okay. Next is, animals' sense of smell is also many times stronger than ours. The strong sense of smell helps them to protect themselves from enemies. For example, a rabbit gets the smell of its enemy even when it is far away. So they have a great sense of smell also. Last one is, animals like cats have night vision which help them to hunt in the dark. So there are few animals whose vision power is also too strong, so that they can see in the night time also. So in this way, the senses of animals are very strong as compared to the human being. I hope you have understood this lesson. Your homework is, you're going to read this whole lesson carefully and try to underline all the new words and the hard words coming in this lesson. Thank you.